Running ad campaigns without proper tracking is like driving blindfolded. You're spending money but have no real idea what's working. RedTrack is a powerful, code free tracking platform built for performance marketers, agencies, and media buyers who want full visibility into clicks, conversions, and ROI across all traffic sources. Whether you're promoting through Google Ads, Facebook, TikTok, native, or affiliate networks, RedTrack lets you centralize performance data, eliminate attribution gaps, and optimize campaigns based on accurate insights, not guesswork. In this video, we'll walk you through the core functions that make RedTrack a must-have for digital advertisers, from campaign setup and tracking links to conversion reporting and automation. If you're looking to consolidate your ad tracking into a single, scalable dashboard without heavy dev work, this guide is for you. So simply head over to redtrack.io, and from here you can start a free trial to test out their platform. So simply click on Start Free Trial and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So this is how RedTrack's platform looks like. So you'll be greeted with your dashboard, well, where you can see all of your workflows, your ad spend, your revenue, your ROAS, best performing campaigns, best performing ads, best offers, and all of this right here. You can also see the clicks, conversions, all in one dashboard. Next, you'll have the Ads Manager. So basically, this is the Ads Manager section. So as you can see, you will see all of your ads right here, your budget, RT campaign. So if you need to add one, you can always apply. So select your traffics, offers. We also have the tab settings right here. Next is our automated rules. So you'll see all of the automated rules right here. So if you want to create a new one, you can always do so by clicking here. So fill up all of this information and click Save and Activate. And they also have this new feature, which is the RedTrack AI Copilot. So you'll need to log in right here. So basically, this is still in beta versions. Next, you have your reports. So from here, you'll see all of your campaign performance reports, your campaign reports, offers, traffic channels, offer sources, and IP reports. Next, we have the campaigns. So as you can see, this is the campaign section. You'll see all of it right here. So simply create a new campaign right here. This is the campaign details. You'll need to fill up all of this. We have the creatives, details for publishers, custom payouts. So basically, this is your custom payouts. So for example, this is the example payouts, GOOS, publisher or alias, hybrid, conversion subs, and the type. So you can only set the creatives details for publishers when you have created your campaign first. So after doing that, simply click on save and you have created your new campaign. Next, we have the traffic channels. So from here, you'll see all of your traffic channels. So of course, you can always add a new traffic channel from a template. As you can see, we have templates right here. You can use the Google Ads, Node redirect tracking. You can select Facebook, TikTok ads, Bing ads, and all of this integrations right here. So you can add all of your accounts. So let's say you want to add Facebook or TikTok ads. As you can see, you'll need to set all of this up. So you can connect your TikTok right here, TikTok default data source, just set it up right here and click on save. And of course, you can always add new traffic channels from scratch. So you'll need to fill up the informations right here. Next, we have the C API integrations. So as you can see, you'll need to connect this. So it basically sending conversions to pixel, updating conversions, and conversion matching. Just click on settings. From here, these are all the meta pixels. You can add a new pixel. So simply, again, fill up all of this information right here and click on save. And you'll see all of the integrations right here from the title, data connected, pixel ID, details, and actions. Next, we have our offers. So again, it's the same as the other features. You'll see all of your offers here in one page. To create a new offer, click here. And again, fill up all of the information needed to create the offer. We have also the offer sources. So again, this works like the traffic channels. You can start from templates, or you can start from scratch. Next, we have the lander section. So from here, is the landers page. Again, just click on create new lander, type the name of the landing, URL. This is the click URL. You can always change this and select all of this from here and click on save. We also have funnel templates. So we can create funnels right here, create new funnel. So simply, again, fill up all of this information to create your funnel. So if you have already created all of this, you will now see it in their specific sections and monitor them right here. So all of it will automatically be updated in their specific pages, and of course in your dashboard. We also have the tools. So from here, you can select your domains, your scripts, conversion tracking, integrations, filter presets, fallback URL, blacklist bots. We also have the logs from here. And of course, the marketplace. So you'll be redirected to Notion. And from here, you can select other platforms or apps to integrate with your RedTrack CRM. So basically, this is how it works. So we have this onboarding videos right here on the top. Just click there and you will see basically how to get started. So if you're confused with some features, just feel free to explore more in the platform, and in no time, you can now be monitoring your campaigns. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.